Hi guys! Welcome to the Panda Vlogs. I'm Bianca Magsino, and in today's video, I am super excited because I'm finally opening my new MacBook Pro M1, and I've been waiting for this ever since it released because I ordered it the day itself, but I just got it yesterday, which is December 11. Since I had to customize it, I had to upgrade the RAM and the storage, so I cannot wait to open it up, and let's get started. So here's how it looks like. I'm super excited. This is the MacBook Pro 13-inch. So this is how the box looks like. And here you can see all of the details that it comes with. I got the 16 gig memory and 1TB SSD. I am super excited. I've been waiting for this for almost a month. I can't contain my excitement. I'm so sorry. This is how the actual laptop looks like. And then I'm scared that it might fall. I got this space gray color since my old one is the silver one, and I keep getting my fingerprints on it. I'm super sorry, but this is how it looks like. It's a lot thinner than my old one because my old one was like 5 years old or 6 years old already. But yeah, let me put this one here first. And it comes with a USB-C charging cable, and then this is like the papers that it comes with, everything about the MacBook Pro and stuff. Where are my stickers? Okay, so here is the new sticker. It's space gray, I think. Yeah, it's the same color as the laptop. And of course the charging port. I was expecting it to be smaller, but it's not. I think it's still the same as my old one, but the only difference is the USB-C. Yeah, that is basically what is in the box. Here are the details of my new laptop. Super excited about this. Actually guys, it was supposed to arrive December 3 to December 10. And on like December 9th, I received a message and email from Apple saying that it's been delayed. It will arrive on January. And then I received another email that it's coming. So now it's finally time to set it up. So let's now set it up. Nothing cute. So while I'm still setting it up, I'm just gonna show you that it has 2 USB 4, I believe, 2 Thunderbolt ports, and then the speakers are already on this side, and then of course the touch bar that I didn't have before, and I'm super excited for that because I feel like it's gonna be really useful. And this is an audio jack, which apparently I don't have any earphones that uses this. So I'm just gonna set up my iCloud. I don't really save a lot in my iCloud, to be honest, so I feel like this is just gonna be easy. I'm gonna be choosing light for the appearance. Okay, I want true tone display, especially when I'm editing. That is very important. This is how it looks like, and I haven't explored the touch bar yet, so we'll explore that in a while. But let me show you about this Mac. So it is on the Mac OS Big Sur, I don't know how you say that, version 11.01, which I think is the latest. It's the MacBook Pro 13-inch M1 2020, and the chip is Apple M1. The memory is 16 gig. And oh my god, the storage is 1 terabyte. And oh my god, the storage is what I'm super excited about as well. It's 1 terabyte of storage. I don't need to bring my hard drive or transfer everything to my hard drive every single time. Now I just have to put there the most important stuff. And I'm super happy because my old one is only 128 gigs. So how big the difference is. So all of the upgrades and customization that I had, it was influenced to me by Mikael because he's really the techie person and I'm not. I just love using MacBook because I am used to it and it's easy for me to edit here, do all of my work here, and of course I am using an iPhone, so it's easier to transfer files. By the way, I've been looking for a case for this MacBook and also keyboard and a mouse, but I feel like I would need mouse first, so let me know if you have any suggestions. This is how it looks like, and here is the USB 4 ports, I believe. And there's also an audio jack on the right side, and once you open it, oh my god, I'm super scared. Once you open it, here's how it looks like. It has the touch bar above here, and then the keyboard is right here, the speaker, and the trackpad is over here. And that is it for this unboxing video. I still don't have much to tell you guys about it yet since, of course, this is just an unboxing video and it's gonna be the first time I am using this. And if you guys want me to do a review about it like after a month of using it or a week of using it, let me know. And it's actually my Christmas gift to myself as well. And I'm super happy that I finally have upgraded to this new MacBook. And that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to click the like button, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell button right beside it so that you'll be notified every time that I post. God bless and stay healthy.